Tũranjĩrĩria na nyongerera ya mĩcara kũrĩ aruti wĩra a thirikari. Komishoni ya mĩcara ya aruti wĩra wa mũingĩ SRC nĩ yanĩrĩire nyongerera ya mũcara kana mĩcara ya aruti wĩra a thirikari ya gatagatĩ ga gĩcunji kĩa 7 kinyagia 10 harĩ igana. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa komishoni ĩno Lynn Mengich augĩte nyongerera ĩyo nĩ icabithĩtio ngathĩti-inĩ ya thirikari, no na gũkĩrĩ ũguo Mengich augĩte mĩcara ya president na mũnini wake ndĩnongererwo.
But I would like to assure you that the economy is on the positive trajectory. The kind of framework of policies and targeted interventions that we have taken is to show that we want to make sure that the economy recovers and recovers very strongly, starting with sectors that we believe are going to provide us with that impact, the initial impact, but after that, the momentum for growth. And these measures have been put in place and are expected to spur the economic growth, leading to increased revenues across. And then it means that once there is vibrancy in the economy, then it means that the revenues will increase. The bottom-up economic transformation agenda recognizes that this has targeted, or it can cover some sectors in the initial phase, which have the largest impact in the economy. And once if they have the largest impact, then they are going to generate more tax revenues, and we can grow the economy.
You will see that there is a review for state officers, and they have already been gazetted, Tony, I believe. So you can actually access and see the specifics. So there is a review for state officers as well. The president and the deputy president, their salaries have been retained from where they were previously. Commuter allowance is this being reviewed? No. The reason is a question about affordability. Yes, we do acknowledge that cost of living will impact all elements of remuneration, including commuter. However, we've been taken through the economic realities by the CS. So going by the realities on the ground, we cannot afford to make that review.